Hello and welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Sowa Rigpa in news. A 2-day national workshop on Sowa Rigpa is being organized at Gangtok from 20 to 21st May 2022. It is organized by the National Institute of Sowa Rigpa, that is NISR, and the Namgyal Institute of Tibetology, that is NIT. It will be attended by traditional Sowa Rigpa practitioners from the northeastern states as well as from all over India. It will help in the promotion of the Sowa Rigpa system of medicine in northeastern states. It will also provide a platform for scholars and researchers to carry forward the legacy of the Sowa Rigpa. Now, information about Sowa Rigpa. It is one of the 7 Ayush systems. It is one of the oldest systems of traditional medicine in the world. It has a history of more than 2500 years. The term Sowa Rigpa is derived from the Bhoti language, which means knowledge of healing. It is popularly known as Amchi. It is popularly practiced in Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Darjeeling. Now, information about the NISR, that is National Institute of Sowa Rigpa. It is an autonomous institute under the Ministry of Ayush. It was established in 2020 in Leh town of Union Territory of Ladakh. It has provisions for research, education and public health.